Imagine how it would feel if you could learn to play worship guitar like a pro in just 10 days. Listen, I know that sounds crazy, but I can show you how to do it. This is not a trick, it's absolutely real. My name is Jared Messer. I'm the founder and CEO of worshipmusicacademy.com. And I've developed a brand new method for learning rhythm guitar for worship. It's fast, easy, and works for anyone, even if you've never picked up a guitar before in your life. In fact, it's working right now for people in more than 50 countries around the world. We hear from students all the time. Like Alex, who said, "I've been picking up my guitar for years watching those YouTube videos, and I've come farther in the past 7 days with your training than all the others put together." Or Christopher, who said, "I'm blown away at how quickly I've picked up my abilities. Your worship guitar course has changed the course of my life." Or Melanie, who said, "Your 10-day worship guitar fast track program is amazing. I just finished yesterday and began playing the songs and feel successful." I'm a former Nashville musician, a worship leader, and a teacher. And by making some simple tweaks to the way people normally learn guitar, I found a way for anyone to learn faster and with less practice time than I ever thought possible. And we're not talking spending a lot of time memorizing scales or sitting through boring lessons or doing hours and hours of exercise either. We're talking 30 minutes a day of fun, easy to follow sessions that will have you up and playing your favorite worship songs in a matter of days. And we got a free video on our website that explains exactly how the system works and why it works so fast. You don't have to sign up for anything, and we're not going to ask for your email to try to sell you a bunch of stuff down the road. That's not how we work. We're a Christian company whose mission is to equip the saints for ministry. So if you're interested in learning how to play rhythm guitar for worship in a Christian environment from a professional musician, this is exactly what you're looking for. Click the link below right now to check it out for yourself. I hope to meet you soon. God bless you.